What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Faith Matini, and today I'm sharing with you some healthy snacks that I prepare at home. Jumping right in, I'm going to be preparing pita chips and hummus. I really like this combo. When it comes to the hummus, guys, I prefer this ones from Costco as opposed to just the regular one, the Sabra ones, because I have a tendency to buy those and not finish them. These ones from Costco are in individual cups, and it's 20 of them in a pack, and I really prefer that. With the pita chips, guys, I really like putting them in Ziploc bags because I can finish this bag in one sitting, and it is dangerous for me. So I really like to put them in Ziploc bags because I know that I can it's already pre-portioned out for the correct amount. So I really love putting this together. Next up is cheese, mandarins, and peanuts. I love cheese, so I bought this medium cheese, cheddar cheese from Walmart, and they come in 10 in a pack, and then just pair those with some peanuts and mandarins, and it's perfect. I really love it. Okay, the next one, guys, is carrots, cucumbers, celery, and hummus. I love putting this together, especially with the hummus. Or just doing them without the hummus is too dry for me. I bought this storage containers from Walmart as well, and they are perfect for putting these snacks together. So I'm just gonna add the carrots, the cucumber, and the celery sticks all there together, and then I can just put this in the fridge and just grab it whenever. And fun fact here, like while I was making this video, my baby Hodari got really fussy, didn't want to be, he didn't want to be set down, so I decided to put him in the bag, in my bag, and continue doing this. And that's why I have that little thing there on my bag. He's just in there watching around until he falls asleep, but I had to finish preparing this, and he wouldn't stop crying. So you gotta multitask as a mom, so whatever needs to be done, we gotta do it. And then the fourth snack idea is just apples and peanut butter. I love peanut butter, guys, but you can also substitute this for just almond butter, but I really just prefer peanuts because they're so good. I bought these other containers as well from Walmart. I love that they can I can just put my peanut butter in there so that I can actually portion it out as well, just like the chips with peanut butter. If I don't portion it, then I will eat the whole thing. It's just my self-control is not where it needs to be just yet. So I like to make sure that I don't eat the whole thing by portioning it out, and this is perfect. Next up is watermelon. I love watermelon, but I know once again, if I don't prepare it ahead of time, I will not eat it. It will sit in the fridge until it goes bad, and then I'll throw it away. So I like to just prepare it so that I have it handy. So I cut this up into little pieces, put them in the little storage containers that I showed you guys before, put it in the fridge, and whenever I'm ready to eat it, I just grab it and I can just eat it from there. It makes it so much easier, so that I don't have to worry about cutting it up when I want to eat, or when I'm hungry. I just know that it's ready to go and I just have to grab it. So really like to have this prepared as well. Guys, these are all the snacks that I prepared. It's gonna last me for at least 2 weeks, and this is twice a day. So I love this that I have this all ready to go, and they're all healthy, delicious snacks that I can't wait to start eating. Now, in addition to that, I also like to make smoothies, and I'm just gonna show you how I do that as well. Now, I do like to buy my fruits from Walmart, so I just buy this frozen fruits, so the mixed fruit and the berry medley. And the mixed fruit usually comes with the pineapple. I think it has mangoes and different things in there. The berry medley is just a bunch of berries, grape, and then I also have grapes and bananas, and I just add this together, put them in these jars, and store those in the freezer for for 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how many I actually prepare. Whenever I'm ready to make the actual smoothie, I just take it out of the freezer in the morning. By the time that I'm ready, it's already defrosted and it's good to go. It stays fresh the entire time, which is what I really love about freezing them. And then I just add my chia seeds, whey protein, coconut milk, and I'm all set. So I really love to prepare my smoothies ahead of time as well, so that it's all set and ready to go. And that's it, guys. I have 2+ weeks worth of great healthy, delicious snacks and smoothies ready to go. I just have to eat them now, which I have no problem doing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.